The advantages of webinar marketing. If you're like most of the people in the world today, then you probably haven't heard about webinar marketing. It's a great business opportunity that enables you to take your online business to a whole new level. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about the advantages of webinar marketing. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. But how do you get started with it? And what should you look for in a webinar platform to ensure your success? In this article, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why you should be using webinars to grow your business. The first reason is that they work. A webinar is a live, virtual seminar. Think of a corporate meeting that happens to take place over the internet. Think of what a poor idea that would be. However, these seminars can be a powerful way to get your message out to large groups of people. Even if they turn out to be a huge flop, at least you've created a sense of interest in your business. The second reason is that they are low-risk, no-cost opportunities. Traditional marketing methods like television commercials and print ads tend to come with very high initial costs. In addition, there are often ongoing fees involved. But when you use webinars, you only pay for them when your product or service is sold. This is a great way to grow your business without having to worry about any of those costs. The third reason is that they're flexible. Webinars allow you to run them as often as you like, in the comfort of your own home. If you're running low on time, or have an emergency business problem, you can easily skip a webinar and keep going to your scheduled meetings. The fourth reason is that they're convenient. You don't have to waste your time driving to a seminar hall, sitting through the whole thing, and then trying to get back to your office. Webinars are also typically short, so you can't spend all day long talking. If you're at a vacation location, you can even forget about going to a meeting. Finally, webinars can really help boost your sales. It's important that you remember that people buy products, services every day, even if they don't feel like buying something. These are potential customers that are looking for a solution to a problem. You can usually sell them on your product by showing them videos, demos, or reports about it. Most of the time, they'll buy if they feel comfortable with you. There are tons of other reasons to learn about webinar marketing. These are just 4 of the top ones. There are many more, but this gives you a good place to start. Webinar marketing can take your business far. You may even find that your profits go through the roof. All in all, it's not as scary as you think. Webinar marketing is a relatively simple process if you go about it correctly. You can have one webinar a week for as long as you want, or you can vary your schedules a little. Webinar platforms are fairly inexpensive these days, and there are plenty of excellent tutorials out there to help you. You can't go wrong if you give it a try. The biggest advantage that you will have is the fact that it allows you to reach thousands of people at once. Even better, it will work for free. You can give your audience whatever message you'd like to convey. You can explain new steps to your traffic generator, or share some great content. If you're giving away a gift or making something people want, you can talk about it over a webinar. And it works across devices. You can have it running on your cell phone, your tablet, your laptop, even your desktop. Don't spam people with offers right away. Give them a reason to trust you and give them some great products. In the beginning, it's really crucial to building up your list. And the best way to build up your list is to share great content. So don't rush into starting a webinar program and then stop. This could prove to be a huge mistake. Another big advantage of webinar marketing is that it's not expensive at all. You might have to buy a pricey recording studio or hire someone to host it. But that's not the case here. You can simply use a browser and make it available for everyone. Webinar hosting is also incredibly easy, so simple in fact that you could host it yourself without even knowing any web development or computer skills whatsoever. Thanks for watching my video about the advantages of webinar marketing. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.